If you need a new reticulation system or an overhaul of an existing one at your place, it can be a little confusing. But don't worry, because Total Eden and Jim's Mowing have it all covered. DIY reticulation design. It's as easy as grabbing an irrigation planner from your nearest Total Eden store, then just take it home and sketch your house, garden and all the areas that need to be irrigated. Then they can provide you with an irrigation quote for all the parts and fittings to complete the job. When you have completed your plan, bring it back into your local Total Eden store to work out the best options for your garden. Total Eden will then design a system to suit your individual watering needs and pressure.
G'day Cole, looks like you've come to the right place.
It sure is, and it's so easy, and they can even install it for you.
Absolutely. If you want to make things easier without the hassle of digging holes, your local gym can look after it for you.
It sounds like a great idea to me. Here you go.
Thanks mate.
When you are ready to go, they can even deliver everything you need direct to your place. All you have to do is follow the irrigation plan or sit back, relax and let Jim's do it. So if you're planning on installing a new irrigation system at your place, why not let the watering experts Total Eden and Jim's Mowing take care of it for you. Check out your local Total Eden store for all your reticulation needs, or you can call Jim's Mowing on 131 546.